You searched how to buy shares of Chargeurs SA, and this short guide covers the essentials for Chargeurs SA, a French industrial group focused on technical textiles and protective films listed on Euronext under the ticker CRI.PA. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CRI.PA to find the Chargeurs listing. Make sure you select the result that shows Chargeurs SA on Euronext to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company details, a price chart, and trading information for Chargeurs SA. Double-check the company name, market Euronext, and the CRI.PA ticker to confirm it is the right listing. Press the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. The platform will show estimated costs before finalizing. If the market is closed, the order can be placed as a pending trade or executed at the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio or holdings list once the order is filled. Check the description for the broker link and additional resources.